everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. In this really quick tutorial I will just show you two different ways that you can change colour in the middle of the row. Now I've already got a tutorial to show you how to change colours at the ends of a row, but I just wanted to show you two seamless ways of joining a new colour in the middle of a row, or in the middle of a round if you were working in a square. So I'm going to show you with a UK treble crochet, but the principle is the same for whether you're doing a UK double, half treble or treble, or obviously in the US those are single, half double and double. But anyway, I will just show you very quickly with a treble. So say I wanted to change colour on the middle treble of this cluster in my granny square and I wanted to do a UK treble. I would yarn over and pull up so that I've got my 3 loops. I would then yarn over, pull through 2, and I will stop with those final 2 loops on my hook. And at this point I will bring in my new colour and I will pull that new colour through those last 2 loops. Tighten that up a little. You would then hold the yarn as normal and yarn over and go back in and do your next treble as normal. And at this point then you can work on with whatever stitches you were doing in your new colour. Okay, so you can see we've got that change just here, and it's nice and seamless, and across the top as well, you can't tell. So I'll just pull that back out for now. And so like I say, the concept is the same if you were doing a half treble, for example. So you would yarn over, and then as you pulled up and you had your 3 loops on your hook, instead of yarning over with your normal colour, you would yarn over and pull through all 3 loops with your new colour. And as I say, it's the same for a UK double or US single. You would yarn over and pull up, and you would yarn over and pull through both of those loops with your new colour. So now I will just show you one other way. So this other way is you will finish whatever stitch you need to in your current colour, and then just pull that loop out a little so that you don't lose it. And then you can see we have got the top front loop here, just here, and then we've also got a vertical loop here. So I'm going to insert my hook through the top front loop and that post at the front, and then I will grab my yarn and pull it through those 2 loops, and then again you will work your next stitch as normal. Let me just work that across a little, and then I would snip this yarn, the colour that I was using, and then just grab this loop with my finger and pull that tail out. And again, that will just give you another seamless change. It will look like that once you've pulled your tail out. So again, seamless across the top with your V's and invisible from the front. And again, that process is the same for any of your other stitches as well. You would just complete whatever stitch you needed to do. So say if you'd done a UK double or a US single, then you would do your final stitch, pull up that loop, and then again the front loop of the V and the post stitch at the front, and again pull your new colour through, and then snip off your original colour and then hook out that tail and pull tight to close. But that is it. That is how you can change colours in 2 different ways, absolutely seamlessly and securely, on absolutely any stitch that you needed to do. So I really do hope that this super quick tutorial has been useful for you. If it has, please do remember to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, and obviously share it with anyone that you think might find it useful. But that's it for this tutorial, but thank you as always for watching, and bye for now.